Hello everyone. I welcome you all for the video lecture on protected member. The private members of a class cannot be directly accessed outside the class. Only methods of that class can access the private members directly. However, sometimes it may be necessary for a subclass to access a private member of a superclass. If you make a private member public, then anyone can access that member. So, if a member of a superclass needs to be directly accessed in a subclass and yet still prevent its direct access outside the class, you must declare that member protected. The protected keyword is an access modifier used for attributes, methods, and constructors, making them accessible in the same package and subclasses. An example program. So here I have given the height and width in protected. So this can be accessed by other classes in the in this program. One more example, let me explain this. In class box, I'm having width, height, and depth. And the box has a function which accepts three arguments. And I'm now assigning WHD, getting as input to these variables. And I'm having another box which is assigning -1, minus 1 to height and -1 to depth. Then box double length and then double volume, another function. So I'm having a class box weight extends box. Now this box weight is a subclass of the class box. Double weight has been given here as a variable, and box weight is a method under the class box weight. And I'm having the class demo box weight. Under that, I'm having the main function, public static void main, string arguments, and box weight my box one is the object. That is, my box one is the object of box weight. Since it is the inheriting the properties and methods of class box, I am creating a single object for this subclass and I am accessing the members and the functions of both the classes. Now I am creating two objects, my box 1 and my box 2. These two objects are created for the class box weight, which is a subclass of the superclass box. Now I am having another volume, a variable, and I'm assigning this volume with the volume which is being accessed by the object my box 1. So this my box 1 now actually accessing the volume. Volume is a function which multiplies depth, height, and width, and it is returning. So when I am accessing through the object my box, the volume is computed and assigned to VOL variable. And I am now printing volume, weight, and then next time I'm doing is I'm actually calling the function, yes, and I'm returning the value to volume. But this object, yes, this object has the input 2, 3, 4, and 0.076. So with this, it will create, it will assign these values and it will computing the value for volume. And then I'm printing it. So this is how I can use the constructor in subclass. So that's we come to the end of the today's session, and I will be meeting you with another video. Thank you all.